Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. Of course, this uses the powertrain out of the Mark 6 Golf GTI, and it kind of changes it up a little bit. Well, no, it might use the Mark 7 stuff. I'm not exactly sure because this isn't the new Jetta. It's kind of confusing, all the different layouts, especially when you drive like 12 cars a day. 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Definitely packs a good punch. Of course, the Jetta GLI is, hey, look at this. Jetta GLI is the Jetta version of the GTI. Uses the GTI's powertrain, a couple different other features. $29,815 was the total price for this one. Pretty cool. Platinum gray, Titan black leatherette. Nice sunroof. And this is a ratcheting armrest, so if you want it up here, you can have it. Perfect. Manual e-brake. Now, I have driven a Mark 6 GLI before, the manual version. This is my first time driving one in DSG, and so far I like it a lot. It does set off like a normal automatic. One thing with dual clutches you might find is it can sometimes be a little jerky, but it's extremely easy to get used to it. Sitting at a stoplight, nice and easy. You can, just creep forward like normal. Brakes are quite touchy. Definitely takes a little bit of getting used to. This one has 32,000 miles on it, and it still looks brand new. Previous owner took great care of this one. And this one's probably off lease, so I think it still has a remaining warranty to it. Ooh, 928. GTS. Wow. Now, after stepping out, I just drove a naturally aspirated 2013 Passat. That will actually be the video that premiered yesterday from when this one goes live. This feels really fast compared to something like that. Where if I were to drive my Challenger and then drive this, yeah, it still feels very, very quick. It's a very, very great performance package, especially in terms of a daily driver. Fitted with the DSG. Personally, I would always go manual with a car like this. Just adds a little bit of involvement, but the DSG is fantastic. Just a riot. It really is. Well, this one does have the stock exhaust. You can still hear occasionally a couple little burbles and snaps and crackles. And you can definitely hear some DSG farts too. This thing is brilliant. Wow. You really can't improve a lot on this. We have two of the brand new GLIs, and they're both really, really great cars. They are the S trim, so once we get in a higher spec trim comparable to this one, I'll take it out and kind of compare and contrast the two after driving a DSG version. But man, it is absolutely brilliant. It's the perfect beginner enthusiast car. You know, if you can't get a 370Z, you don't want the coupe, you want back seats, stuff like that. For some reason you want a sedan over the GTI. The GLI is absolutely brilliant, and they are a lot less common than GTIs. A lot of people go straight for the GTI and they kind of glance over the GLI, even though it's essentially the same car. Definitely excited to see the next generation GLI once the Mark 8 comes out, because I'm assuming it's going to share a platform with that. Maybe there might be, when they refresh the Jetta in 2-3 years, maybe they'll add the Mark 8 powertrain. But for now, what a brilliant car. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.